Tama lang, tama lang.
Una si Rad.
Rad games, lead. Boy, finals to guys.
Last 8 lads, finals, no? Maka-swim ano.
Peke Oli.
Finals.
Peke Oli. Sino judge pala? Ikaw?
Ako sa kasi para sa kasi Kuya.
Peke Oli. Peke siya.
Wait lang.
Uy, to.
Bad. Sorry for interrupting.
Kickflip. Putang ina mo, ano yun?
Peke flip.
Pinakatawa na ng CJ Marshall. Peke flip.
Half court flip.
Op, bawal.
Ay, bawal yan. Okay.
Diba? Kita ko?
Peke big spin.
Pwede.
Nolly.
Good. Haba.
Kickflip. Frontside big spin.
Good.
Frontside try shove. Ay!
Bawal.
Bawal. Half cut flip.
Good.
Switch in. Meron na ba? Wala pa. Switch in.
Tulong ako sa fix.
Baba!
Makalimutin ako sa ako.
Sorry.
Okay, draw kanina.
Big big speed.
Peke big spin. Pero patanggal. Ay, sorry po.
Switch in.
Good. Good.
Frontside try shove.
Good. Yeah.
Frontside 180. Nolly train ward.
Isa. Tol, pag tumira ka, lift mo na lang yung board mo. Kasi ni-request mo rin.
Nolly try shove.
Good. Good.
Nolly train ward frontside dribble.
Backside flip. Ang dapat sila.
Same trick.
Frontside.
Frontside dribble. Sayang. 2-0.
Nolly bigger spin. Uy!
Half cup flip.
Meron na.
Meron na.
Meron na.
Meron na ba?
Hindi, meron na.
Ay, oo,
Meron na, meron na.
Sorry.
Heel flip. Peke heel flip.
Same trick. Nolly bigger spin.
Good. Tatlo, Rad.
Nolly bigger flip. Ay, Nolly bigger flip. Tama.
Oli. Barrel flip.
Uy!
Iwan. Peke heel flip.
Good.
Peke barrel flip. Ay. Peke big flip.
Big flip.
Nolly bigger flip.
Good sa'yo?
Good.
Good, good. Okay, good. Kita. Oh, apat, Rad. Yo!
Switch train ward frontside dribble.
Front side.
Holy shit!
Take your time, Tol. Take your time. Take your time. Nakaabang na. That's right.
Thank you!